What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be comparing two top-of-the-line direct drive tile saws. Right here we've got the Lackmond Beast, and to my right we have the Dewalt D24000. We will put both of these full-size 10-inch wet tile saws head-to-head and then determine which one is better. We will compare the following: cutting capacity, water containment, pump and water spray on the blade. We will compare motor durability, options, attachments, obviously price, and a few other things such as the stand, the stock blade that comes with each saw, build quality, and warranty. Okay, let's show you up close all of the specs and options on these saws. We'll then fill them with water, plug them in, make some cuts, and compare the cuts. Here we go. We'll start with the Dewalt, and we'll start with the trays. Here's the Dewalt tray, extension tray for large format tile, extension tray here for water containment, aluminum rails. The Dewalt tray does roll smoothly on these rails. Here we have the Beast. Now this tray is set up a little different than the Dewalt. You have a tray here for water containment. Now on the Dewalt, this tray is attached to the back. On the Beast, it is attached to the table here. We have an extension tray for large format tile. We have a tray over here for water containment. Again, aluminum rail system, and this, just like the Dewalt, moves smoothly on the rail system. Now really quick, I want to point out the Dewalt does sit a couple inches taller than the Lackmond Beast. Now both of these saws have a plunge option as well as a mitering option, 45, 22.5. Again, same as the Dewalt, plunge and miter. Now in regards to cutting capacity, because this Dewalt arm is much closer to the motor, it cannot cross-cut anything larger than 26 inches. And as you can obviously see, the arm on the Beast extends out quite a bit compared to the Dewalt. Which allows you to cross-cut 34-inch tiles. So cutting capacity with large format tile is much easier and better with this Beast. Now I bought this Dewalt 11 months ago, and I bought this Beast 3 months ago. In regards to the pump and water spray, I have to say they both are about equal. They spray about the same amount of water on each blade. The Dewalt does not have a shutoff valve, so those of you who want to use this saw with water and sometimes without water, that is not an option. The Beast does have a shutoff valve here for those who like to shut the water off. Now I'm going to fill these saws up, plug them in, and show you the water spray on the blades. One thing to mention, the Dewalt does have slightly more wobble in the tray and on the rails than the Beast. Comparing the standard stand with the Dewalt versus the Beast, the Dewalt stand seems to be more rigid with less movement and wobble. The Beast seems to be thinner aluminum with the stand, so you do get a little more wobble than the Dewalt. Now both saws are equipped with the stock blades. These blades are brand new. The Beast blade obviously is a better blade for harder materials such as porcelain. It will last longer than the stock Dewalt blade. Here's your XP4 for your Dewalt. Again, this will burn out quicker than the Beast blade if you are cutting harder materials, but keep in mind the cost of the Dewalt blade is about half the price as this Beast porcelain blade. In regards to the sound of each motor, they both sound about the same, so they are equal. Now lastly, from my personal experience, and I'm sure a lot of guys can agree with me on this, the Dewalt contains water better than the Lackmond Beast contains water. This saw tends to get more messy below the saw and behind the saw. Now in regards to price, the Dewalt beats the Lackmond Beast on price all day long. I bought this saw, the stand, and the blade for $1,100. The Dewalt, I bought the saw, blade, and stand for $750. So a significant difference in price. Now both the Dewalt D24000 and the Lackmond Beast include a 3-year limited warranty. Now in regards to build quality, they both seem to be built of good quality with good materials. Okay, the time has come. Let's make 2 quick cuts on each saw with hard porcelain and compare the cuts. I've got a very good feeling the cuts are going to be nearly identical. And then we'll make a final comparison and conclude which tile saw is a better buy. Now, as expected, the cuts are nearly identical. We've got the Dewalt on my right, Beast on the left. Let's now finalize the comparison. Beast versus Dewalt. We'll start from the top. Cutting capacity. The Beast wins on cutting capacity. This can cut much larger tiles, can rip larger tiles, can miter cut larger tiles than the Dewalt. Water containment. Dewalt wins on water containment. The Dewalt contains water better than the Beast. It's not as messy underneath and behind the saw. Pump and water spray, they are equal. Motor durability. From my experience, they are both equal, but there is a lot of talk about the Beast and problems with the Beast motor. Pump and water spray, they're both equal. Options and attachments, they're both equal as well. Other than a shutoff valve for the water pump on the Beast. With the warranty, they're both equal. Both have a 3-year limited warranty. Both stands are equal as well. In regards to the stock blades, obviously the Beast blade is better with harder materials such as porcelain, but you can get 2 Dewalt blades for the price of 1 Beast blade. So, in my opinion, they're both equal. In regards to build quality, they are about the same. Now lastly, but in my opinion most important, is price. Dewalt wins on price. You can obtain this saw for $750. Lackmond Beast, you can obtain this saw for $1,100. So, $350 more for this saw than the Dewalt. Now these are both great 10-inch tile saws, but the obvious winner in my opinion is the Dewalt D24000. It's hard to justify spending $350 more to cut larger tiles with the Lackmond Beast. With this Dewalt, you can simply add 1/2" foam backer board onto this tray for a table extension in order to rip large format tile, rip porcelain planks, and you can get around the cutting capacity with the Dewalt. Thank you for watching this tile comparison video. Comment below, hit that thumbs up button, and most importantly, share this video. If you know anybody who might find this video helpful, please share it, and I'll see you on the next one.